Whatever harm, wrongdoing I have done to myself or others by words, by thoughts, by actions, I now forgive myself. Whatever wrong, whatever ill will I have intended on purpose or not towards others and myself, by speech, by mental formations, by deeds, I now let go of it. Whatever guilt I hold in my mind, whatever trauma I hold in my mind, whatever shit I hold in my mind, I now let it go. Whatever wrong I have done, whatever thoughts I have had that were unwholesome, whatever deeds I have done that are unwholesome, whatever words I have uttered that are unwholesome, I now say sorry to myself and others. I don't hold any grudges. Whatever harm that has been done to me by others, whatever they have been done to me, I now let go. I forgive them as well as I forgive myself. There is no place for guilt and resentment in my heart. Love conquers all. Compassion conquers all. I understand that the harm that has been caused to me, even sometimes on purpose, is due to circumstances, conditioning, upbringing, some ill will, but I understand. I understand that people are not perfect, because I know that I'm not perfect, but it's okay. The flaws I can see in myself, I can see in others. And some others might have much more flaws. So I can understand that sometimes I make mistakes, they make mistakes, but I can let go. I can see the good in myself, I can see the good in others. So whatever harm I have done to myself, whatever harm that has been done to me, whatever words, whatever unwholesome words that have been uttered towards me, whatever unwholesome words I have spoken towards others, whatever actions that has been done against me, whatever actions I have done against others, whatever malicious thoughts that have been intended towards me, whatever unwholesome thoughts I have intended towards others, or myself, I now let go of it all. I let go of all this shit. I forgive others. But first and foremost, I forgive myself. Because I realize that sometimes it's even easier to actually forgive others than forgiving oneself. Others cannot carry my guilt. I only can carry my guilt, and I also can let go of it. And sometimes it's hard. Sometimes the guilt will come and come and come and come and come again. But it's okay. I can just listen to a beautiful message, a beautiful words like this, and tell myself and vow to myself that not only do I love myself, but because I love myself, I can truly let go of this guilt that doesn't serve me. The guilt I feel, the trauma I had, the frustration and anger I hold inside my heart does not serve me. I know that to be true. And even if it might take time, I can forgive. And I will forgive. And I have forgiven myself. I can truly let go. I love myself unconditionally. Therefore, I forgive unconditionally. I forgive myself unconditionally. There's nothing that I can't forgive myself for. And by forgiving myself, I make myself more still, more peaceful, more loving, more caring, more compassionate towards myself, of course, and others as well. And by virtue of forgiving myself and others, I live a more peaceful life, a happier life, a life that is unblemished by shame or guilt. I love myself truly. I forgive myself. Whatever I have done, whatever I have said, whatever I've thought, I don't need to live in shame. I don't need to live in guilt. What I can do in those moments where those thoughts, that guilt, that weight, that burden comes to my mind and try to corrupt my heart, what I can do is take a few deep breaths. Rising, falling, rising, falling. I can see it for what it is. Just a thought, just an image, just a feeling in the body, a weight on my shoulders. But as soon as I can realize that, I can just relieve myself of this weight. Let it go, let it flow. As soon as I put this burden down, this weight down, I feel light. I feel light because I live a life that is effortless. I live in peace, in love, in kindness, in peace. I don't need to begrudge myself because I have done so and so. I love myself. I forgive myself. And no matter what I have done, no matter what I have said, no matter what I have thought, it's okay. It truly is okay. Mistakes come and go. And I am not perfect, and it's okay not to be perfect. So one last time. Whatever harm I have done to myself or others, by words, by thoughts, by actions, by intentions, on purpose or not, I now let go of it all. I now forgive all. I love myself unconditionally, and I truly and constantly forgive myself. And I know that I will always and I can always forgive myself.